How can I make smoke rings in a cup? This is a cup that I've put a hole in it. You can see the hole in the bottom. And then we have Saran wrap and then rubber bands. So we've created this seal on here. You guys are okay because you're far enough away, but make sure you stay back. But for this one, I have to wear my goggles. Has anybody heard of dry ice before? Dry ice, it's frozen air. That's basically all it is. Put some of this dry ice in this little hole in the top of my cup, and then I'm gonna add some water. Do you see the smoke that's coming out of the top? I just made smoke in a cup. So remember my question was, can I make smoke rings in a cup? So in order to do that, we have to push on the bottom a little bit.
Wow!
So all the water and the dry ice got used up. That's why the smoke stopped. There's just a little bit still coming off. But we made smoke in a cup, smoke rings in a cup by adding dry ice and water. Okay, give it a clap.